Remember, if life feels too chaotic, you feel like you're losing control, you feel like things aren't going your way, take some time out. Just be present. You're here. You're breathing. Always take it back to the breath. Become present again. Close your eyes. See what comes through. You're here. You are amazing. And you're doing so much. Just by aligning your energies and connecting, you are shining a light on this planet and lifting the frequencies. Remember, the light has won. You have nothing to fear. Nothing to fear at all. So if you stay within that mentality and anchor that truth of knowing that everything has been divinely orchestrated, the old paradigm is shifting. Everything is being removed to bring in the new earth. And every time a negative thought comes through, stop looking outwardly, because that's just being shown as a narrative. That is just being shown. We've lived through this illusion for such a long time, and we are moving away from that. So instead of anchoring ourselves back and seeing, but it's not playing out yet in real time, the real time is here. It's our connection. And when we stay in this vibration of knowing, of feeling that we're on track, the more you stay in lifted, the more your vibrations stay high. You're not being drawn to the old, which is being removed, dismantled. I know it's not happening as quick as we would hope, but there is a major reason, and we will all find out. But we've all got to understand that this has got to be done. When you go into your heart space and you connect from the heart and you feel the love and you disconnect yourself from the lower vibrational energies, and you just sort of feel that love inside, and you think, yeah, I'm okay, I'm good. You're not focusing on what's going on outside, because at the moment I don't feel as though we should, because that's there to awaken others and to expose. But if you imagine that we're literally on the precipice now, and we're up here and we're just waiting, that's where we are. So keep your truth, keep your vibes high, guys, because when we are in the right vibration, we bring so much love light energy through, and that's where we are going into the love God frequency, transition of a new world. So it's all unfolding, it's all happening the way it's supposed to. Forget about time limits. Time is a man-made thing. And you know what? The more we stay in alignment, the more we work on ourselves, and we let go of the criticism and the judgment and the old beliefs and the old, when we look at things, we're looking at things in a physicality form. And when we connect and we go more within the heart, and we take a bit of time out and we're kind to ourselves, and then we uplift ourselves, we are bringing in the new earth. We are bringing in the new change that we want to see. What do they say? What you put your focus on we draw in. I know there's lots of terminology that I could use there, but if we are looking at something and it's of a low vibration dependent, and it doesn't matter what we're connecting to, it doesn't matter whether we're thinking, oh, when is this happening? It's not happening yet, and I've been waiting for years. This hasn't been an overnight operation, guys. It's been many years in the making. So just a little bit more time is being done for the benefit of all, to ensure we've had enough fear, we've had enough lies, we've had enough propaganda. All this needs to be done with transparency. Everything that's unfolding, everything that's being shown out with regards to the outside world, the corruption, the systems, the false narratives, the lies, the deception, it's all got to come out. But it's all got to unfold without too much disruption. So just bear that in mind, that we're all one. And people that haven't awoken up yet, it's not within their time just yet. They're not holding us back. If we are stay true to ourselves and in true alignment, we are bringing this new earth in anyway. We're bringing in the higher energies, and we are connecting. And we are connecting more and more with like-minded souls that have awoken. So let's just keep our vibes high, because that will help others spark their inner light. But it's all unfolding as it needs to. So bring in your magic for the day. Let go of everything. Just attune to you. Feel the love within you. What magic can you bring forth today? In love and light.